Do you know what happens when you mix Coca-Cola with lemon? The result will leave you speechless. After I learned this, I never bought it from the store again. Add 1 lemon to 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola and mix well. Then, carefully pour everything into a container. Try this at home and say goodbye to that problem. Next, we'll squeeze the other half of the lemon. Let me know which city you're from so I can send you a special message. Now, we'll need a bit of baking soda. The ideal amount is 1 heaping tablespoon. Add it to the other ingredients. This reaction is normal. That's the purpose of the recipe. I'm sure this will be very useful for your heavy-duty cleaning routine. By the way, Coca-Cola, as we know, is an incredible ally for this. Next, we'll need some salt. The ideal amount is 1 tablespoon. Add it to the other ingredients. I've always had issues with expensive store-bought products. This simple recipe is definitely much better. Now we'll need dish soap. Add 300 milliliters of dish soap here. I bet you'll come back to thank me for this tip. With just a few ingredients, we can make any item shine. After adding everything, mix the ingredients well. Do you do anything to keep your pans shiny like new? Tell me if you have any homemade tips. Our solution is finally ready. We'll need a bottle for storage and application. I'm using the dish soap bottle to help with application, but any bottle will work. To avoid waste, we'll use a funnel to pour the liquid, preventing spills. My cleaning lady was the one who taught me this tip. I always wondered how she kept my pans so shiny until she finally revealed this secret. It's cheap and very effective. Now let's close the bottle. I'll show you the power of this product. Just apply a little to a sponge and scrub gently. Let it do its job. See how the dirt comes off with little effort. It shines. Guys, this tip is amazing. I never imagined it could be so easy to clean and degrease my aluminum items and even my cutlery. As you can see, you don't need to use much, so it lasts a long time. This mixture doesn't just clean, but restores the original shine to items like aluminum, iron, and stainless steel pans, making them look new again. Say goodbye to expensive products. With just Coca-Cola, lemon, and a few simple ingredients, you can clean and shine your pans like never before. Save money, take care of your home, and be amazed by the incredible results. Try it now and see how easy it is to turn heavy cleaning into something simple and effective.